This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Check the Bluetooth version and supported codecs on both devices so you know their latency ceiling. Next, make sure batteries are charged above 20% and move devices within 3 to 10 meters with clear line of sight. Walls and crowded RF environments add delay. Once done, close background apps and temporarily disable nearby Wi-Fi 5 GHz bands to reduce interference, because congestion often causes the lag you're trying to fix. You now perform the deeper fixes. Update firmware and drivers on both headset and source so known latency bugs are removed. Then change the audio codec to a low latency option, aptX low latency, or a lean SBC profile, because codec choice directly affects delay. Make sure developer or advanced Bluetooth settings on your device expose codec selection. Finally, disable DSP features like EQ, spatial audio, and aggressive noise cancellation while testing. They add buffering and processing time and can mask codec improvements. You finish by isolating remaining problems. Try a different headset or phone to determine whether the source or accessory causes delay. If acceptable latency is critical, switch to a wired or USB audio connection as a reliable fallback. Once you've tested alternatives, reset Bluetooth pairings and repair devices to clear cache settings. If delay persists, collect firmware or driver logs and contact the vendor. That data lets support identify hardware or stack bugs that simple tweaks cannot resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.